I like it very much because this is a very wide place, and so it is my favorite place to do gymnastics.
I am Venkat from Chennai. I am into healthcare industry for the past 20 years. And my wife is Saranya Venkat. She is into teaching. And I have two daughters. Elder one is Vanshika. She is in 7th. And this is Janchika, younger one. She is in class 3. I was thinking about constructing a new house. And I was searching in the internet. And through social media, I've come across Brick and Bolt. And I started discussing with the team. Before deciding, I've seen 2-3 contractors and taken quotation, and then I've discussed with Brick and Bolt team. The main reason for selecting Brick and Bolt was their app and quality checks and real-time monitoring. I used to travel a lot, and wherever I am, I can see the progress. It's very easy to reach out Brick and Bolt team members. Any support, I can reach out to the site engineer or project manager or the project head. It was very supportive. Coming to the project specifications, Brick and Bolt had a lot of packages. That was a good one to choose. I have chosen a basic package, and they are very accommodative. Wherever I want to upgrade it or downgrade the specification, I can do it, and I have chosen on my own. So every stage is completed. We'll be visiting as a family, and everyone from the family were very happy. I'm very happy with the Brick and Bolt team, starting from the beginning till the completion and handing over. I'm very happy, and I would like to thank Mr. Pramod, Mr. Manikandan, and Raghu and other team members for complete project. Thank you.